Hello everyone.
Today we will be discussing about the topic Cartesian sign convention in the mirror formula. What is Cartesian sign convention? Cartesian sign convention: in the case of spherical mirror, all signs are taken from pole of the spherical mirror, which is often called origin or origin point. This sign convention is known as new Cartesian sign convention. A sign convention must be defined, understood, and followed. The Cartesian sign convention will be used in this course. This is not the same as used in Halliday and Resnick, but is used in many specialist optics textbooks. In this case we have: since object is always placed in front of the mirror, hence object distance is taken as negative. Since the center of curvature and focus lie in front of the concave mirror, so radius of curvature and focal length are taken as negative in the case of concave mirror. When image is formed in front of the mirror, the distance of image is taken as negative, and when image is formed behind the mirror, the distance of image is taken as positive. Height of image is taken as positive in the case of erect image and taken as negative in the case of inverted image. Now we will discuss about the topic mirror formula. A mirror formula can be defined as the formula which gives the relationship between the distance of object U, the distance of image V, and the focal length of the mirror F. The mirror formula derivation is provided here so that students can understand the concept of the topic. Derived mirror formula for concave mirror and state mirror formula. We now derive the mirror equation, or the relation between the object distance, U, image distance, V, and the focal length, F. From figure, the two right-angled triangles ABF and NPF are similar. For paraxial rays, MP can be considered to be a straight line, perpendicular to CP, therefore. Now we will see the derivation. If you all like this video, please subscribe this channel, share and like this channel. Press the link given below in the description box for watching our other videos. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.